Okay, now I'll teach you how to make wudu. It's important that you do the following steps in order, but before you start, you should make an intention to make wudu. You can do this by whispering to your heart, I am going to make wudu. Step 1. Begin by saying, Bismillah. Step 2. Completely wash your hands including your wrist and between the fingers. Do this 3 times. Step 3. Put water into your mouth with the right hand. Swirl it around in your mouth and then spit it out. Do this 3 times. Step 4. Sniff water into your nose as far as you can with your right hand. Then blow it out using your left hand. Do this 3 times. Step 5. Wash your face completely from your forehead to your chin and from right ear to the left ear. If you have a beard, then run your wet fingers through it. Step 6. Wash your right arm, begin at the fingertips, washing your whole hand, arm and elbow. Do this 3 times, then wash your left arm in the same order. Step 7. Wipe your head starting at your fringe, move your hands to the back of your head and then back to the front of your fringe in one move. This is done once only. Step 8. Wipe the inside of both of your ears with your index finger, then the back of your ears with your thumb. This is done once. Step 9. Wash the right foot including your ankle. Make sure you wash between your toes using your small pinky finger. This is done 3 times. Do the same for your left foot. Step 10.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم اجعلني من التوابين واجعلني من المتطهرين.
You can now pray as long as you don't break your wudu. There are 4 things that break your wudu. They are: Number 1, by using the toilet. Number 2, by passing wind. Number 3, by deep sleep. Number 4, by falling unconscious. That's it. Your wudu is now complete. Next to the salah.